You ever look at your bank account? I see like $800, $1,200, maybe $2,000, and think, bro, how am I ever supposed to turn this into something real? Like, yeah, you hear people talk about investing, wealth, six figures, but when you're starting with just $1,000, it feels like you're playing a completely different game. And here's the worst part. You don't even know if you're making the right moves or just wasting time. My name is Monarch, and I spend way too much time thinking about how to turn small amounts of money into life-changing wealth. If you're someone who feels stuck starting small, doesn't know where to invest, or feels like $1,000 isn't enough to matter, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Look, here's the thing. $1,000 is not going to make you rich. But the process of turning $1,000 into $100,000, that's what changes everything. Let's get this out of the way first. If you take $1,000 and just invest it in the stock market, at an average 8% return, it'll take you about 47 years to reach $100,000. Yeah, 47 years. So if your plan is just invest and wait, you're not building wealth, you're delaying it. So what actually works? Here's what most people don't realize. There are three different phases to money. Seed phase, 0 to 10,000. Growth phase, 10,000 to 100,000. Wealth phase, 100,000 plus. And the strategy for each phase is completely different. Trying to invest your way out of the seed phase, that's your first mistake. This is where 90% of people fail, because they treat money like something to protect, when in reality, at this stage, money is something you need to multiply aggressively. Step 1. Stop thinking like an investor. With $1,000, you are not an investor. You're an operator. Your job is not to grow money slowly. Your job is to turn skill into income. Step 2. Pick a high leverage skill. Now you might be thinking, okay, but what skill? Simple. Pick something that can make money online, doesn't require a degree, has real demand. Examples: video editing, copywriting, social media management, AI automation services, freelance design. Step 3. Use the $1,000 strategically. Here's how I'd break it down. $200 to learning, courses, YouTube tools, $300 to software/tools, editing software, AI tools, etc. $500 to outreach plus positioning, website, cold emails, ads if needed. Now, instead of sitting on $1,000, you've turned it into a money-generating system. Step 4. First $1,000 to $5,000 to $10,000. Let's say you land one client at $300, then 3 clients at $500, then 5 clients at $1,000. That's how you scale. Not by luck, but by stacking income.